Congratulations on your purchase of the DOFF skid mount. Remember to always wear the correct personal protective equipment when operating the DOFF. Ensure you follow local and national health, safety and environmental guidelines. To operate the DOFF skid mount, you will need a clean, cold water supply, providing no less than 5 litres of water per minute. To begin, connect the fuel connectors. The DOFF skid mount functions using diesel only. Never fuel the DOFF with petrol under any circumstances. Next, connect the water supply. Now connect the hot hose to the connector on the DOFF skid mount. Then, connect the trigger to the hot hose. To power on the DOFF skid mount, pull the emergency stop button out fully, and then turn the key clockwise to the 1 o'clock position. Now, flush the system. To do this, pull the trigger until the water runs clear, ensuring you flush any contaminants before connecting the lance. Now you can safely connect the lance to the DOFF trigger. Lances can be supplied in different lengths to suit your requirements. Adjust the controls to the desired heat and pressure. You are now ready to start using the DOFF skid mount. To power off the DOFF, turn the temperature dial down to the off position and wait for the blue light to turn on. Then, turn the key anti-clockwise to the 12 o'clock position. In hard water areas, the DOFF skid mount will require descaling. Add 1 litre of the Stonehealth DOFF descaler solution to 10 litres of clean, cold water. Next, set the temperature of the DOFF skid mount to 70 degrees. Now connect the descale hose to the connector and place the other end into the bucket. Remember to always disconnect the lance before descaling. Hold the trigger over the bucket and begin the descaling process. It's important to check the oil level of the DOFF skid mount daily. To do this, rotate the flap located in the bottom corner of the DOFF to reveal the oil dipstick. Here you can check the oil level and replenish accordingly if required. For further instructions and troubleshooting, please refer to the DOFF skid mount user manual or contact Stonehealth, the proud manufacturers of the DOFF systems.